$100 a day online sounds like clickbait, right? I get it. But here's the proof. I made $1,600 in just 16 days on Whop. I was very bad at school, but it's $100 a day. And I wasn't even using AI back then. I've tried everything before this. Dropshipping, Facebook ads, digital products, even crypto. And honestly, most of it sucked. Expensive, complicated, frustrating. Then I found Whop. And once I started clipping with AI tools, I realized this isn't just easy. It's ridiculously fast and scalable. And in this video I'll show you step by step how to start making $100 a day, the exact AI tool I use, and how to pick the campaigns that actually pay. Stick with me because by the end of this video you will know exactly how to get your first payout today. The AI tool I use to 10x my output and the mistakes I made that almost cost me $500. If you missed even one part, you might waste weeks like I did. But before we dive in, let me explain what clipping actually is and why it's so powerful in 2025. Whop has two main ways to earn, at least I did. An extra way, obviously, you can sell digital products in it, but you need some experience, you need some knowledge, and you need some audience for that. And that's why I'm gonna talk about UGC, which is how I made $1,600 in 16 days. You upload UGC or faceless content to campaigns. And the second one is clipping, which is what we're focused on here, because it's way easier and you don't need to show your face or spend 5 hours editing the 10-second video. So clipping means you take someone's long-form content, podcasts, YouTube videos, courses, and turn them into short-form clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And the beauty of it, you're not creating content from scratch. And with AI tools, you don't need to be a professional video editor. You can literally cut, caption, and publish in minutes. When I first tried this manually, it took forever. But once I tested AI clipping, I realized I could create 10 clips in the time it used to take me to make one video. And that's where $100 a day starts to make sense. So getting started is easy. Go to whop.com, sign up for free. Google, Apple, whatever's easiest. Once you're in, click the Discover tab, then head to Content Rewards. That's where the opportunities live. Ignore most of the dashboard at first, it's kinda complicated. Focus only the clipping opportunities. These are the gigs that pay consistently and scale fast. But not all clipping opportunities are created equal. Some of them pay $2 per 1,000 views, some of them $3 per 1,000 views, and even some of them pay 50 cents per 1,000 views. And if you're going the first way, that might sound small until you see a single video had 10k views in a day. That's $20 in under 24 hours just from one clip. And here's the trick for $100 a day. Pick niches that go viral naturally. Podcasts, interviews, motivational clips, business content. And 2, avoid low-paying gigs. 50 cents per 1,000 views will never hit your daily goal if you're not posting 10 times a day, which is a lot. So here target the creators who actually value their content, and that's where the money in. And here is the most interesting part and a real game changer. AI. Before using AI, I spent 1 hour editing just one clip, but with Submagic, I can produce 10 clips in 20 minutes and fully automate it. Here is how it works. Upload a long-form video. The AI finds the best highlights, cuts them into shorts, and adds captions that actually look good. It's kinda insane. Suddenly making $100 a day doesn't feel impossible. It's just a matter of output. I've tested this myself and trust me, it works. I'll drop my Submagic link in the description so you can start creating today and starting for free. Once your clips are ready, submitting and getting paid is simple. 1. Upload to the creator's preferred platform, TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and then submit through Whop. The client approves and you get paid directly inside Whop, without chasing invoices or PayPal headaches. You can literally make your first $50 today if you start right now. And here's the important thing. This isn't a trend. Creators are producing more long-form content than ever before. Every single of them needs short clips. They need new eyeballs for their content, business, or a product. AI makes it easy for beginners beginners to start, and as you get better you will get more views, and more views equal more money. And Whop is one of the few platforms connecting clients directly to clippers like you. So it's not a side hustle that fades in 6 months. This is a legit way to build consistent income online starting today. So that's how you can start making $100 a day with Whop AI Clipping. I made $1,600 in 16 days doing content rewards on Whop, and now AI Clipping makes it even easier. So click the Whop link in the description and make your first dollar today. And if you want more no BS tutorials that actually make you money online, hit the subscribe button and see you on the next one.